Hello, I'm working on the fish fry feeder. That's the feed, liquid fry to fish, and this is Arduino Nano, as you can see, on one of these LED, well, OLED displays here, and this is just simulating that the filament's being used up every half second, sort of going down. There's like a bar graph here and how much filament is left. One problem with this size of display, I think it's 128 by 64, I don't know, it's one of the smaller displays or LEDs, is as you can see there's not much space to put stuff on. Now I have coded this so that when it gets down to 5, that'll be grams. Right, this is all in grams. When it gets down to 5 grams, that's, you know, can be programmed. That'll change the display a bit and it will flash a bit more different to what's flashing now. See that the nano here is pulsating, signals going over. This is a very nice display, even for its size. A bit glary there because of the camera, but it's better in real life than actually on the video. Yep, I'm just checking there that you know, I'm not telling lies. It's a very small display. I think it's about, it looks about 120 millimeters or so. I haven't measured it. I'll put some specs on the video actually. There's a ruler. Get that wire out the way. It's using IC2. It's almost an inch there. But we're all in metric now, apart from America, I think. This wire, this ribbon wire is a bit of a nuisance, and I have to be careful not to unplug it. So it's about, I would say that the actual display there is 15 millimeters. That's all, that way. And whoops, $25 that way. I'll put some details on the video anyway about this display. I've had to change the shutter speed because I was getting strobing. So you can see how the bar graph there has changed to sort of, so when you're looking at it, it's going to highlight it. So far as I know, there's no colour on this display. There's only black and white, or white and black. Don't quote me on that because I haven't done a definitive test. This is just a brief video. Let go around once more. So there's 200 grams, and as it gradually drops, the bar graph sort of indicates how much filament is left on the spool. You'll notice that I've got this almost in bold, and this is in normal text. It gets a bit out of focus if I go too close to the camera. Actually, I should be able to go closer than this. I think the glare of the light is affecting it. So at the moment I'm only simulating like as if the filament's being used up. Every half second it's going down a gram. And that's how much is used. And this is how much is left on the spool. That was the basic idea. But I think I'm going to look for a bigger display, possibly even a colour one. So it can indicate, say, red when the filament's getting low. And such like. Possibly even going to a state of a touchscreen display so that you can put in a tear and adjust certain things like the weight of the filament put on the spool, the tear of the spool. Whether you wanted it, well, it might do it in grams and in distance. be more space on it than this one. This is a good display for if you want a small display. I quite like it. It's very sharp and clear, better than what you can see in this video. But see how the display has changed there a bit, the graph there to indicate, so when you're glancing over you can see that, oh, there's only 25 grams left, 20 grams left. And this just rotates at the moment. I'll let this go to 0 and then I'll finish off the video. 8 grams left, 7, 6, 5 grams left, 4 grams, 3, 2, 1, and uses to 100. So there you go. So that's, I'm still working on this.